Hey Waikato Chamber members. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks around Google and how you can get your business ahead. If you're new to SEO or paid search ads, you're in the right place. Today's going to be a one-on-one session for people that are very new, so we'll go at a slow pace that's right for you. Hi, I'm Braden, founder of WebAntler. We're a digital strategy and marketing agency that help New Zealand businesses scale their marketing performance across New Zealand and internationally. Having picked up the Google Megastar Award in 2015 for Best Google Ad Performance, I think it's fair to say I know a thing or two around Google marketing. I could be more pleased to be able to share that with you today. So to begin with, if we're talking about search or Google, we're really talking about two camps, and that can be SEO or paid search ads. SEO is just simply the fancy way of saying search engine optimization. And that is around helping your website rank higher on the search results page. Paid search ads, on the other hand, are around paying for the results to appear at the top of Google searches. The reason why search is so powerful is that you don't have to pay to create the demand. The demand is already there because the user is actively searching for a product or service that needs to fulfill something they're after. And that's where we can use SEO or paid Google search ads to intercept that moment and potentially drive some business for you. So in terms of paid search ads and SEO, both can work really, really well at driving performance and ROI for your business, but which one is right for you? Now, this answer is going to be entirely dependent on your business and approach to marketing. In terms of paid search ads, this is like renting a house. You've got to pay to be there continually, but you get the instant results. If you think about SEO, this is a much longer term gain, and this is like owning a house or building a house from scratch. You get to own it and you reap the rewards, but it's a much longer term play. All right, so enough of the theory, let's have a look at a practical example. So looking at this example here, I've searched for same day flower delivery Hamilton NZ. Now these are the results that have come up on Google, and you'll notice that these four at the top here have the word sponsored above them. Anything on Google that has the word sponsored is a paid search ad. So each of these businesses are paying to come up the top here in the search results. Remembering that paid search results, you're only paying when someone clicks on the actual ad itself. As we scroll down and we have a look at these websites below, these are all what we call organic results, or results that have been impacted by SEO. Now, good SEO is going to help you rank better in these results. It's also worth noting that you'll see the word sponsored here again, and there is more ads here, and these are what we call shopping ads. They're another form of Google search ads, but these are coming through from an e-commerce feed, meaning these are products that you can actually buy online. So it's just another format of a paid search ad. But again, they're paying to be there, or they pay when someone clicks on any of these results. So, fun fact, did you know that 50% of all New Zealanders will click on one of these sponsored ads when they make a search? So whether they don't know that this is a paid search ad, or they're just blind to the word sponsored secretly snuck up here in the corner, either way you look at it, that's a great reason to have paid search ads running, because 50% of people searching are going to be clicking one of these results here. Now for the other 50% who scroll on past the paid search ads, they'll come down here and they'll have a look at the websites. Now again, another fun fact, 75% of all non-paid search clicks go on these top three results. So you want to be in at least one of these three positions. And to do that, you're going to need SEO. After these three results, the amount of clicks coming through to these websites drops drastically. So you're going to want to use SEO to either have your website appear in the top three results and be paying for search results at the top. So you'll see here that Amy's Flowers is getting the top result here, and so they're going to be getting a lot of clicks from people that aren't aware that these are paid search ads, or maybe they do know they're paid search ads, but they like the results and it's helpful for them. Or for people that scroll on past, Amy's going to have another crack at getting that click here, and they're going to be getting a truck ton of clicks and sales through their website here as well. So well done, Amy. Great SEO and great paid search ads. So whether you're in flowers or an entirely different industry, here are my top tips when it comes to marketing on Google. Firstly, whatever you do, when it comes to paid search ads, do not plug a credit card in and just accept the Google default settings and steps. Google is just going to take your money and you're not going to get the results that you can get from someone that is truly specialized in operating a paid search account. So don't take a set and forget approach. A paid search account needs to be carefully managed and optimized. All of your competitors and competition that are also running paid ads are carefully looking at things like ad copy, how much they're willing to pay for a click, various strategies and tactics that mean that the results can fluctuate and need to be managed manually. If you are looking for an external resource or agency to build and look after your Google search account, make sure that you know who the specialist or practitioner is that's going to be working on your account. Make sure that it isn't someone that's junior and who is experimenting or has very minimal experience. In summary, Google search can work wonders for just about any business because you're intercepting that moment someone's looking for your products or your services. You've got a chance to capture them either with a paid search ad or with your website and SEO. That being said, here's what's to keep in mind before moving ahead. Remember that paid search ad is a short-term approach. It's great for getting instantaneous results because you're already immediately appearing there right at the top of the Google search results. SEO is a much longer-term game, and you have to invest and optimize over a much longer time period. So whatever you go for, make sure that you consider the pros and cons of both, and in fact, maybe like Amy, you do both. So there you have it. That's my 101 on how your business can win with paid search and SEO. Look, if you've got more questions, I'll be happy to answer those for you. Just connect with me on LinkedIn. Look for Braden Dawson. I'm the founder at WebAntler, and I'll be happy to give you either some quick fire answers or jump on a 15-minute free consultation. Absolutely be my pleasure.